What is up, guys? Today I have my HDD here, also it works with SSD. I've one time ejected not properly, didn't click eject, and after this it's not visible on my MacBook, and actually it happened to too many SSDs, and finally I found a way how to solve it. So as you see, I've connected, it's not visible at all. Let me just show you. So as you see, it's indicating that it's connected. As you see, disk connected, but here you can see nothing. It's not connected. On a desktop also you don't see it. And in disk utility, it's also not visible at all, I guess. Yeah, I don't see it. So what to do in this case? It's only one thing that can help. I can show you right now. So as you see, it's blinking, it's connected, but it's not visible on your phone. So what you need to do first is eject it. Of course, it's not safe, but you must do it. Then you need to connect it to your Windows laptop, to any Windows laptop if you have in your friends, work, family. Just very simple actions. So after this, you connect it to your Windows laptop. So I connect it using Type-C again. As you see, it's connected. Windows already makes some sounds that it's recognized. Let's wait. So as you see, it's recognized the drive here, so you can open it smoothly. Then what you need to do is open the properties and find the tools error checking. So check for errors. We found errors on this drive, so to prevent data loss, repair this drive now. Click on repair the drive. So it's scanning right now and reparation process is ongoing. So let's wait until it will be over. I think it's usually taking like 1 minute, so it should be very fast. Let's wait until it will be done. Okay, so you see it's done, your drive was successfully scanned, so it scans the drive, no errors were found, so I hope all of them were corrected. And now let's safely eject it from your Windows laptop. Wait until it will disappear as a light. So once light disappear, you can disconnect it. And now let's connect it to the MacBook. So as you see, I've already disconnected from the Windows. Let's close it. Open the MacBook. Connect it. You see same drive. So as you see, it's again blue. Now let's wait. It should appear here. So as you see, drive is here. As you see, it's blinking. Drive HDD. Drive HDD. And the data is here. So working well, working perfectly. That's how you can easily fix your drive when it's not recognized by MacBook. In case you still have some questions, just leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.